Hello students, how are you all? Today we will learn English, the poem The Kite written by Harry Ben. I already explained this poem in the previous class, so today we will see about its meanings and question answers. So I hope you have to pay attention in this video. First I will read all the meanings and question answers. Also I will send you PDF file for writing this in the CW. So let's start. First we will see meanings. First, source. It means rise up, cells. Number 2, snaps means makes a cracking. Crest means top. 4, gust means stormy wind. Next, goes slack means becomes loose. Now we will see question answers. Number 1. How does the kite look like in the sky? Answer. The kite looks bright in the blue sky. It rises like a ship riding over high waves in the sea. Question 2. When does the kite seem to take rest? Answer. The kite seems to take rest as the wind falls. 3. What happens when the kite gets entangled on the top of a tree? Answer. The kite flutters in vain to free itself. It gets torn, becomes dirty and looks ugly. Number 4. When does the kite lose all its energy? Answer. When the wind falls. Number 5. What does the kite flyer do at last? Answer. He winds the string back on the charkha. 6. Why does the flyer have to run? The answer. The flyer have to run so that the kite rises again with the help of the wind. Question 7. How does the poet describe the facts, journey or antics of a kite in the sky? Answer. Here we have this is long answer, so please pay attention. A new kite looks bright in the blue sky. It takes a plunge and bends. It makes a cracking sound with its tail. When a strong wind blows, it rides over it as does a ship on a tidal wave. But its activity becomes weak as the speed of the wind becomes slow. Then the thread controlling the kite becomes loose and one has to roll it back on the jerky. The kite goes up in the sky as the breeze blows again. But this playful kite is badly torn when it gets stuck in the branches of a tree. So children, I hope you have understand these meanings and question answers. I am giving you this homework that write all these meanings and question answers in your English CW notebook and with beautiful handwriting and learn these all meanings and question answers also. We will have some more exercise so that we will see in the next class. Till then, learn these all meanings and question answers and write nicely with beautiful handwriting in your English classwork notebook. Thank you.